I thought this day would be simple: get ready, roam around, eat good food, and then come back home. But here's the spoiler: absolutely nothing went according to the plan. But I guess that's exactly how my last chaotic Sunday out in India ended up being. So, hi everyone, welcome back to another page of my journal. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shagota. I have just completed my MSc, and within 10 days, I'll be leaving India to start my PhD in the US. So, this Sunday is probably going to be my last outing in India before I move. And honestly, my father has been really strict about the whole thing. He has basically banned me from going out in this last 10 days because, according to him, getting sick right before a 48-hour journey would be the worst possible idea. And to be fair, he's not wrong. I have been going out a lot lately, meeting my friends, making memories before leaving, but after this, it's officially the time to become a responsible adult, or at least pretend to be one, I think. So the plan was to wake up at 7:30 a.m. But if you know me, you know that's a very ambitious goal for me. I finally managed to drag myself out of the bed around 8:30 a.m. I know I am 1 hour late and had my compulsory cup of tea because my brain simply doesn't function without it. So then I started getting ready. It took me almost half an hour to finish my makeup, even though I was really running late. And then for some reason, I got a little too excited with the blush. I put on way more than I intended, so the next few minutes were just me blending, and blending until it looked normal again. Honestly, I think getting ready is my favorite part of any outing. I don't know if it's just me, but I genuinely enjoy sitting in front of the mirror, putting on my makeup, doing my hair, picking out jewelry. It's almost therapeutic. Once my makeup was finally done, it was time to do my hair. And I'm really bad at doing my hair. I genuinely have no idea what I'm doing half the time. I just kept trying random things and hope for the best. And after that, I changed into my outfit, which looked really pretty, but it came with these super long lace straps, and that were an absolute nightmare to me. Because at one point I was genuinely fighting for my life with that lace. It looked cute, but tying it was a full workout. And then I took a bus to reach the metro station where my friend was waiting for me. Now मैं कहीं पे जाऊँ और वहाँ पे कांड ना हो, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. The plan was to get down at Central Park. Pretty simple, right? Well, we were so busy yapping that we completely missed our station. We only realized something was wrong when literally everyone started getting off the metro. We were like, wait, doesn't look like Central Park. Turns out we had reached the last station instead. And after our metro drama, we finally reached our destination.
We have so we have finally reached Bolombitan Biodiversity.
So this place was absolutely beautiful. It honestly felt like the perfect place to click pictures and shoot reels. In fact, there were so many content creators filming there, and it actually motivated me to take out my camera too. Being a new vlogger, it is quite awkward to take pictures and videos in public, but I'm getting used to it. We clicked a lot of pictures, attempted a few reels, and failed really bad. And then we spotted a pond full of fish, and there were so many of them. We spent a few minutes just watching them, and honestly, it was the best part. Everything was going really great until life decided to throw in another plot twist. And out of nowhere, my shoe tore, like completely. And I still had so much working left to do. So, our next mission was no longer finding food, although we were very hungry, but it was to find a shoe store. And after a bit of searching, we finally found one, and that's where I ended up buying these pink sandals. Not exactly part of my plan, but honestly, I think they were a pretty cute emergency purchase. And by the time all the drama was finally over, it was way past lunchtime, and we were absolutely starving. And we ended up finding this restaurant called Rang De Basanti, and we started with the tandoori momos, and oh my god, they were so good. They came with three different dips, and I couldn't even pick a favorite one because all of them were so amazing. For the main course, we ordered cheese piece pulao, a chicken curry which I genuinely forgot the name of, and some kebabs. The kebabs were really good, and I completely forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging. We like the Pudina one, that's why we ordered another orange one. But it's really bad. And because there is always room for dessert, we ended the meal with a gulab jamun cheesecake, and it was also pretty decent. So yeah, that is how I spent one of my last Sundays in India. It had everything: getting lost, a broken shoe, amazing food, and a lot of unexpected moments. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, and I will see you in the next chapter of my journal. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And in future I will also be posting some USA vlogs, so if you are interested, then please keep watching. Bye.